Welcome to our training on client consultation for cosmetology, focusing on superfluous hair removal. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential steps to ensure every client receives a safe and personalized experience. Understanding the importance of a thorough consultation is the foundation for successful hair removal services. By the end of this session, you'll be equipped to carry out effective client consultations, identify potential risks, and document critical information. Let's begin by exploring why client consultation is a non-negotiable part of any beauty and wellness service. The main purpose of a client consultation is to ensure the safety and satisfaction of your client. Before performing any hair removal service, it's crucial to assess the client's health and skin condition. This process helps you identify any contraindications that might make the procedure unsafe or unsuitable. By taking the time to consult with your client, you not only protect their well-being but also build trust and professionalism in your service. Now, let's look at the first step in the consultation process. Before any hair removal service, every client should complete a health screening form. This form gathers important information about their medical history, skin conditions, and any recent treatments. Fig 1 shows an example of such a form. By reviewing this information, you can determine if the client is a suitable candidate for hair removal. Always ensure the form is filled out accurately and completely, as this is your first line of defense against potential complications. One of the most important reasons for client consultation is to check for contraindications. These are specific conditions or treatments that may prevent or alter the approach to hair removal. By identifying these factors early, you can avoid causing harm or discomfort to your client. Let's discuss some common contraindications you should always look for during your consultation. Clients with very sensitive skin or sunburn should not undergo hair removal procedures. These conditions can increase the risk of irritation, redness, or even injury. Always ask your client about recent sun exposure or any known skin sensitivities. If present, it's best to postpone the service until the skin has healed. This careful approach demonstrates your commitment to client safety and comfort. If a client has pustules or papules, which are types of inflamed skin lesions, hair removal should be avoided. These conditions indicate active skin issues that can worsen with hair removal treatments. During your consultation, visually inspect the client's skin and ask about any recent breakouts. If you notice these symptoms, advise the client to seek treatment and reschedule the service for a later date. Clients who have recently received Botox or collagen injections should not undergo hair removal in the treated areas. These cosmetic procedures can make the skin more sensitive and prone to adverse reactions. Always ask your client about any recent cosmetic treatments and document their responses. If injections were recent, recommend waiting until the area has fully recovered before proceeding. If a client has undergone recent cosmetic or reconstructive surgery, hair removal services should be postponed. The skin needs time to heal and regain strength after surgery. During your consultation, ask about any recent procedures and the healing status. If the client is still recovering, explain the risks and suggest rescheduling the service for a safer time. Clients taking medication for skin conditions may have increased sensitivity or risk of adverse reactions during hair removal. Always inquire about any medications, both topical and oral, that the client is using. Document this information carefully and, if necessary, consult with a healthcare professional before proceeding. This step ensures the client's safety and the effectiveness of your service. It's essential to note, highlight, and document any allergies or sensitivities your client may have. This information should be clearly recorded on the service record card. By doing so, you create a reference for future visits and ensure that all staff are aware of potential risks. Proper documentation is a key part of professional client care and helps prevent allergic reactions or other complications. The service record card is a vital tool in client consultation. It serves as a comprehensive record of the client's health information, allergies, sensitivities, and previous treatments. Always update the card with each visit to ensure you have the most current information. This practice not only protects your client, but also supports your professional reputation. Before performing any hair removal service, clients should sign a release form. This form confirms that the client understands the procedure, potential risks, and agrees to proceed. It's a crucial legal document that protects both the client and the service provider. Always explain the contents of the release form and answer any questions before asking for a signature. Obtaining the client's signature on the release form is a standard part of the consultation process. Make sure the client reads the form thoroughly and understands each section. Encourage them to ask questions if anything is unclear. Once signed, keep the form on file for future reference. This step ensures transparency and mutual agreement between you and your client. After the client completes the health screening and release forms, review them carefully. Look for any red flags, such as allergies, medications, or recent procedures. If you notice any concerns, discuss them with the client before proceeding. This review helps you make informed decisions and tailor the service to the client's needs. Effective communication is key during the consultation. Use clear, simple language and listen actively to your client's responses. Make sure they feel comfortable sharing their health information and concerns. Building rapport at this stage sets the tone for a positive service experience and encourages honesty. Sometimes, clients may feel uncomfortable discussing certain health issues or treatments. Approach these topics with sensitivity and professionalism. Assure your client that all information is confidential and only used to ensure their safety. This respectful approach helps clients open up and share important details. Take time to explain the hair removal procedure to your client. Describe what they can expect before, during, and after the service. Address any questions or concerns they may have. Providing clear information helps reduce anxiety and prepares the client for a smooth experience. Understanding your client's expectations is crucial for delivering satisfactory results. Ask about their desired outcome and any previous experiences with hair removal. This information helps you set realistic expectations and avoid misunderstandings. Always clarify what is achievable and what is not. Every client is unique, and their hair removal service should be tailored to their individual needs. Use the information gathered during the consultation to customize your approach. Consider factors like skin type, hair texture, and any contraindications. This personalized service enhances client satisfaction and safety. Professionalism is essential throughout the consultation process. Maintain a respectful and courteous attitude and ensure your workspace is clean and organized. Dress appropriately and follow all hygiene protocols. These practices reflect your commitment to high standards and client care. All client information collected during the consultation must be kept confidential. Store records securely and only share information with authorized personnel. This protects your client's privacy and builds trust in your services. Always follow legal and ethical guidelines regarding client confidentiality. It's important to update client information regularly. At each visit, review the client's record card and ask about any changes in health, medications, or treatments. Keeping records current ensures you always have accurate information for safe and effective service. Sometimes, you may encounter clients who are upset or anxious about the consultation process. Stay calm and patient and address their concerns with empathy. Offer reassurance and explain the importance of each step. Your understanding approach can help ease their worries and create a positive experience. If you identify any contraindications or risks during the consultation, it's your responsibility to refuse service when necessary. Explain your reasons clearly and offer alternative solutions or referrals if possible. This decision prioritizes the client's health and demonstrates your professionalism. Educating your client about aftercare and possible side effects is an important part of the consultation. Provide clear instructions on how to care for their skin after hair removal and what to watch for. This proactive approach helps prevent complications and ensures the best possible results. A thorough and caring consultation helps build lasting relationships with your clients. When clients feel heard and valued, they're more likely to return and recommend your services. Take time to connect with each client and show genuine interest in their well-being. Following up with your client after the hair removal service shows you care about their experience and results. Ask about their satisfaction and any side effects they may have noticed. This feedback helps you improve your services and maintain high standards. Stay updated on the latest trends and best practices in hair removal and client consultation. Attend workshops, read industry publications, and seek feedback from peers. Continuous learning helps you provide the best care and adapt to new challenges in the beauty industry. If you work in a team, effective communication among staff is essential. Share important client information, such as allergies or sensitivities, with authorized team members. This ensures consistent and safe service, even if different staff members serve the same client. Adhering to legal and ethical standards is a must in cosmetology. Always obtain informed consent, respect client privacy, and follow industry regulations. These practices protect both you and your clients and uphold the reputation of your business. Good record keeping is essential for client safety and business success. Store all forms, notes, and records in an organized and secure manner. Regularly review and update records to ensure accuracy. Proper documentation supports quality service and legal compliance. Many salons now use digital systems for client records, while others still rely on paper forms. Both methods have advantages and challenges. Choose the system that best fits your workflow, but always prioritize security and accessibility. Make sure all staff are trained in proper record management. Using a checklist during client consultation ensures you cover all necessary topics. Include items like health history, allergies, medications, recent treatments, and client expectations. A checklist helps you stay organized and thorough, reducing the risk of missing important details. Empathy is a powerful tool in client consultation. By putting yourself in your client's shoes, you can better understand their concerns and needs. Show genuine care and patience throughout the process. Empathy builds trust and enhances the overall client experience. Clients come from diverse backgrounds, and cultural sensitivity is important in consultation. Be aware of cultural differences in beauty practices and communication styles. Respect your client's preferences and beliefs, and adapt your approach as needed. This inclusive attitude creates a welcoming environment for all clients. Efficient time management during consultation ensures you have enough time for both the consultation and the service itself. Allocate a specific time slot for each client and stick to your schedule. This helps you serve more clients without compromising quality. For repeat clients, review their previous records and ask about any changes since their last visit. This shows attention to detail and ensures continuity of care. Repeat clients appreciate when you remember their preferences and needs. Sometimes, clients may have unrealistic expectations about hair removal results. Use your expertise to educate them about what is possible and what is not. Setting clear expectations helps prevent disappointment and builds trust. Visual aids, such as diagrams or before and after photos, can help clients understand the hair removal process. Use these tools to explain procedures, expected results, and aftercare. Visual aids make information more accessible and engaging. Encourage clients to provide feedback on the consultation and service. Use their input to identify areas for improvement and enhance your skills. Regular feedback helps you grow as a professional and deliver better client experiences. Sometimes, consultations can be stressful, especially if unexpected issues arise. Stay calm and composed, and handle each situation with professionalism. Your calm demeanor reassures clients and helps resolve challenges effectively. Accurate documentation is critical for client safety and legal protection. Record all relevant information, including health history, allergies, signed forms, and service details. Good documentation supports quality service and provides a reference in case of disputes. Let's recap the key steps in client consultation for hair removal. Complete a health screening form, check for contraindications, document allergies and sensitivities, obtain a signed release form, and communicate clearly with your client. Following these steps ensures a safe and satisfying experience for both you and your client. Mastering client consultation is a valuable skill for any beauty professional. It not only protects your clients, but also enhances your reputation and career opportunities. Keep refining your consultation techniques and stay committed to excellence in every service you provide. Thank you for joining this comprehensive guide on client consultation for hair removal. By following these best practices, you ensure the safety, comfort, and satisfaction of every client. Remember, a successful consultation is the first step to outstanding service and lasting client relationships. Continue learning, stay professional, and always put your clients' well-being first.